Hey everybody, it's Chris Holm with Chris Holm & Associates at Remax Vernon. We're here at number 12650 Pleasant Valley Road. Beautiful home here in this five home strata. We've got lots of parking, 2 parking spaces here, 1 covered. We've got the rooftop patio above and I'm standing under this front covered deck. Beautiful home, come on in, check it out. Welcome inside everybody. We're here in the living room. We've got lots and lots of windows in here. It's super bright in this home and fir hardwood floors, all locally milled. Very beautiful. This is a really great kitchen. So you look out into the living room and the dining room area. We've got the curved eating bar, under-mounted sink, beautiful cabinets in here. The builders built these all right from scratch. Some really cool detailing throughout the house. We've got stainless steel kitchen appliance package and large tiles that take you all the way out into the hallway. The second entrance for this home is actually in from the covered carport area, so you can come right in the back hallway, bring all your groceries into your kitchen. Great little storage area underneath the stairs, plus your access to your 5-foot crawl space. Closet laundry area, your hot water tank is in there, all plumbed in for stackable laundry, and a fantastic little powder room, great for when you've got guests. We're here in the master bedroom. Got beautiful views out the window looking out over all the mountains that surround Armstrong. We've got a lovely 3-piece ensuite in here, full stand-up shower, and a large walk-in closet, custom built shelving throughout. And we've also got the fir hardwood floor up here. The builders kept the consistency throughout the home. We've got the fir hardwood floors through all 3 bedrooms on this upper level. We've got a large main bathroom, tile floor, large soaker tub. The 2 extra bedrooms each have a closet and a large window, letting lots of light in. Linen closet out in the hallway and your entrance to that upper deck over top of the carport. This is my favorite feature of this house. So we've got the upper deck here over top of your carport. We've got beautiful views. Again, we've got Rose and Swanson Mountain. This is a really lovely space to sit and enjoy your evenings. We're just coming into our fall season, so all the trees are changing colors. It's really lovely. So this development is going to be 5 single-family homes. Right now we're in phase 1. We've got the fully built home that we were just inside checking out. We've got number 2, which is currently under construction. The second phase is in the back corner of the property. It's going to be 1 single-family home. And then phase 3 is going to take us to the very front of the property. There'll be 2 more homes there and that'll finish off the project.